I do love member questions. So today's question is, how do we attach a swivel to our sun catchers? So if you have a into fishing, or have a friend who's into fishing, or a partner, they will have some of these swivels, maybe not as big as this one, but they're perfect for our sun catchers. So we can join two or more together, and I'm now thinking, I think I'd like 4 hearts hanging down from the tree. We'll see how that goes. The sort of things you need are readily available at really any craft shop. So our big craft shop in Australia is called Spotlight, and they have a floral area, and in that area you can buy these 12 gauge aluminium wire floral accessories in, I've seen this sort of coppery colour, gold, silver and black, and I have a black roll somewhere. It's obviously tucked in one of those safe spaces that we all have. Then we need a couple of crafty tools which you may already have. Something that will cut the wire easily. Then pliers that have a flat section like this, and long, preferably round, but it doesn't matter, these will still work because together they make round, but they're big round. These ones that are like really cheap and rust as soon as you look at them, and what they have are a cutter which requires muscle power because they're not that great. They have this flat bit for crushing down, and you'll see how we do that, and then these round bits, and I think you've seen me use these for my butterfly antennae. So the first thing we want to do is grab our pliers, of course, on the flat bit, hold it there and fold it down. Well, if we do it on this side here, we can fold it all the way through. So like that is what it's going to end up being. Okay. And then in that loop, we want to put our swivel in that little loop. Whoops. Turn it over. Make that hole a bit smaller because that's quite large there. Have your straight bit that goes up, and then this bit that wraps. My fingers aren't holding them today, so I need to hold them with the pliers. Oh, there's a lot of activity going on in our street this week. And once you've got a good hold on it, then this bit wraps around to make a nice curly cue. And it can be as long or as short as you like. I like about 3, only because I'm a 3 person. I buy my plants in 3s. I think I need to buy tiles in 3s. So you can just wrap it around as evenly as you can make it, like this. Of course, you can cut off the end bit. Oops, it's a bit sharp on that side. And the other thing you can do is squish these together so they're nice, make a nice little curl. As long as you want. Cut off any excess you don't want. And then bend this back in space. And there you end up with a lovely, and of course you can bend this to whatever shape you want, so you can straighten it up, but I wouldn't worry about straightening it up until it was all done. If you wanted to add your beads, whatever it is that you wanted to put on there, now's a good time, because then this one would wrap around the other thing you're attaching to. So it could be the top of this heart, for instance. That would be lovely. So now I'll do the other side exactly the same way. So let's imagine I'm going to get carried away in the middle of my 2 hearts. Then of course you would wrap it. You just straighten it out. I've tried to tilt it up so you can see it. So you can see it can get quite snazzy. And then do the same thing here, except with the top of your heart. But make sure you leave enough room to go through here and then wrap it up in a similar way. About 3 of those there. They just twist as the wind goes. So swivels are great. So you can get them cheaply anywhere that's